Okay, this is an update. Here I have a new Visorcat. This is my old Visorcat, which already was broken after a short while, less than 3 months use actually. And what had happened is that it lost this strap here, which fixed it to the thumb. And that's because this is all loose. I don't know whether it was ever glued together, but if it was glued, it didn't hold the glue. Whilst this we can see it's not loose, so therefore it won't lose the strap anymore. On the edge is here, let's see whether we can see that, is the mold from the injection mold, and that is where it started leaking. Yeah, see if I press on it, then the water comes out. On the new one, yeah, the same bit on the edge. You can also see it, but it seems to be a much better nick. It seems so. Would hope that that is will not start to leak on that one bit. Obviously, I have to see whether that will be true, but well, I have confidence in it that this one looks better. Secondly, I must say also that the company, after hearing about this, in less than 1 day, sent me a replacement. So this is the replacement they sent me. They sent me even some extra bits with it. So they did more than they had to, and immediately responded without questioning anything. So in terms of service, the company is certainly 10 out of 10, if not 11 out of 10. I hope this one, because I really like the concept, I hope this one keeps better in shape and that I can use it for a few years. And so if in a few years I need a new one, I would certainly buy it again. Maybe with an improved wiping bit or squeegee bit. That would be ideal. Something like the front edge being taller and therefore being able to squidge itself or something like this. But that is up to Visorcat to further develop, obviously. I must just say that, yes, I was unhappy with the old one breaking so easily, but I'm extremely happy that I have a new one at no cost whatsoever, in basically no time whatsoever as well. Thanks for that. Cheers.